This is Loncom with a video. We are going to do a setup on a MikroTik using this XenFi. Actually, integrating this XenFi into our MikroTiks. Before doing that, what are the things you need? You will need Winbox. If you have never installed Winbox into your computer, you can check out other videos on how to do that. It's easy to set up. This is the one. After installing it, it will detect the MikroTik, the version, the brand of it, and everything if you want to do the configurations of it. So after that, after doing that, so you click on the MikroTik. When it's getting internet, it will show on the IP address. It will show the IP addresses. After getting internet, after connecting the MikroTik into the internet service provider. So there you click enter and connect it. After entering it, would be better you set a password that will help you to do all the needful. Here we are on the new terminal in the Winbox. Here they want us to set the password. You put any password. Let's just give it a password. Click enter, enter repeatedly. Then it has been set. Then you ping to see if that MikroTik is getting internet. As you see, even on its timeline, it shows that it's getting internet very well. So after that, then you check on the XenFi dashboard. You go to the settings. You look for where there is router. Most of the times, I do recommend you go to Geno. You give it an SSID, which you want it to be responding to your MikroTik. So let's put HTTPS. Or we first go to router setup. Then we'll need to copy this script. After copying it, then you import it to the Winbox. You go where there is new terminal on the Winbox. You click on it. They want us to first respond the password, which we had put and updated within the Winbox. Then we set it again. We input the password which we have set in the new terminal. Then you click connect to respond. And you have to first make sure that the MikroTik is providing internet through the DHCP client. You see, this is the port which is enabled to put the internet. I've used Ether 2 since the Ether 1 wasn't working well on this MikroTik. I had to change it to Ether 2. So if you're good at configuring any port, you can give it internet. Doesn't matter like port 1 to it's the one like you're making to give internet. No, you can even change another port and configure it to be the one giving internet. Like on this one, I've given it to Ether 2. It's the one for the internet service provider. After confirming that, then you paste the script, the one you have copied from the dashboard. Click enter to run that script. As you see, it has been successfully loaded and executed within the Winbox. After that, now let's go on. Since we are going to set manually, we got the dashboard of the XenFi. As you see, this is the configuration mode, the method we want to use. On this video, we are going to use the menu setup. You click on it, then you click continue. They are going to give you the instructions and all the stuff what you're going to consider and to do all the stuff. with these instructions to create a bridge, assign IP address, and set up DHCP server and hotspot server. So let's run also this to the, you again go to Winbooks and open new terminal and paste. Then you click enter to run the script. Then after that, we are going to set the bridge for this setup and all the stuff. Let's go to bridge. We are going to create a bridge for this setup. Let's call it hotspot bridge. All the clients will be getting internet from this hotspot bridge which we are creating right now. You click apply and OK. It has been created and the ports are not assigned to any bridge which we have created. So after doing that, let's create an IP addresses for the bridge which we have created. You click on this press button. We give it let's give it an IP address like .10.100.10.1 slash 22.21, whatever you want. Let's give it 21. Then you copy this, copy and paste it on the network. Since all the devices will be getting internet within this range of IP address, then we assign it on the interface. We assign it to the bridge which you have created within this MikroTik. You click OK. Now it has been added. This is for the XenFi remote access if they would like to access that MikroTik. After that, let's set a DHCP server. We go to IP, then you look for where there is DHCP server. We set it up. Here we are going to select the bridge which we have created. Then you click next, next, next. These are the gateways. We keep on clicking next. Here we put for the first one, we are going to put the IP address which we have set. Then on the below one, we put 8.8.8. We click next. For the raise time, that's for the DHCP. That's why those who are chaining, you don't need to put all these within your routers. When you put these raise, that means this raise on DHCP timeline, it will always show connected without internet. To disable that, you just leave it within the MikroTik and access points. You don't need to give them that option. Then when it's successfully set, you click OK. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to be helped out and all the stuff. This is Roncom channel. To check out other things, don't forget like and share, and the more you watch, sometimes it motivates us to put other videos to help you out whenever you're doing anything. So we go back to the setting up the MikroTik and all of that stuff. We are done with DHCP server setting it up. Now let's set the hotspot. You go to IP, you look for where there is hotspot, you click on it. For the hotspot, we are going to give a DNS name within the system of XenFi. We go to settings, then general. Let's put We go to this and set it up. Let's give it like this, runcom.com. This is the DNS which will be put within the MikroTik to help you out on setting all the stuff. So after updating that, we go back to the router setting. Then we go to Winbox. We are going to set up this hotspot. We click on it. The interference, we are still using the bridge which we have set for this. Then you click OK. You click OK. OK to continue and all the stuff. You keep on skipping. Here no need. The DNS server, we are going to set it with later. Then here on the name, let's paste the name which we want it to be. We put runcom.com. We want it to be showing whenever you click on a landing page. Whenever it shows up, this is what will be showing up, without showing like wifi.com and all the stuff. It would be nicer if you put your real Wi-Fi name on the DNS name. Then you click next. Here you can give it a password as well if you want, like 256 admin. Then you click next. That's the password you can create and use as a default. After doing that, let's click on it, on the server which we have created. Here on the Mac, per Mac, we want one device to be used. In the DNS name, for the IP DNS name, we are using this. Others are okay. You click OK. We go to this. This is the DNS name which we have created there before. Then we go to logins. We tick this, and this. We don't need the trial. You can just leave it and ignore and continue. Then you click OK. Then you again double click. We go to radius. We enable the radius. Then on this entrim update, we are going to make it 10. Then we click OK. So we are done with the setting up hotspot and all the stuff. Now let's assign the bridge. The bridge of all the ports which you will be putting on your internet. We are going to enable them, and the Wi-Fi, this wireless, let's enable it. You enable it from here. Let's go to the bridge, assign the ports. Since there is no port assigned to that bridge we are from creating, you click on add a bridge. You select port 3. You select it, the bridge as the hotspot which we are from creating it. You click OK. You see, it's already designated port 3 already with a bridge. That means whenever you put anything into it, it will be assigned to that port and working very well. Here we create also for the Ether 4. We add another port. The Wi-Fi. This is the Wi-Fi which people will be getting on this MikroTik. So you set it as well. You click OK. Also, they are also assigned to that port. Okay, we are done with assigning the ports and the bridges of this hotspot business. So let's create, we are going to get the code from the XenFi after setting the bridges. Since it's here for the manual, we copy the code. Then you go to the Win terminal, new terminal, then you click paste. You enter the code and you wait for it to run, and all the ports which you have assigned it to this MikroTik will respond very well within the XenFi dashboard and will be assigned to it very well. You wait for it to complete. Sometimes it takes time to complete that script. Then after being executed, we are going to set the firewall. For the firewall, you go to IP, you go to firewall, then you look where there is Mango. This is the one. After reaching here on the firewall, you go to this button to add then you select this post sprout, you select that, then you go for where there is out, then where there is out interference, we want it to be assigned the bridge which we are from creating. This is the bridge which you are from creating to this. Then you click apply and okay, you see it has been added. Then we click again, we double click, we go to action. On the action, we are going to select this. We are going to select this on change TTPL. Then you go on this log prefix. We want it to be 1. That means we don't want here all what we are trying to set. We don't want your internet to be shared with a lot of people. So this is how you can create. If you don't want people to scan all, if the moment that internet is connected to one device, not to be shared with many people, then after doing that, you go to comment. Then on comment, you type no share. Since you don't want no sharing, since you don't want your internet to be shared with a lot of people, after doing that, you click OK, apply, then you're done with that. That's all how you can create and set up XenFi manually on your hotspot business. That's it, and we are good to go. Then you go and create other stuff on the dashboard, like making packages, and even setting up the vouchers. All the stuff, those are the things which you need to do when you're doing this hotspot business and setting up XenFi, this system. Thank you, guys.